Also looking at the correlation between Bitcoin and the stock market. And it does seem like lately the whole idea that people are hungry for risk going into Bitcoin and other speculative parts of the market has worked well for stocks. Is that something you see in the charts?
Yes, it's something we've been tracking for about 2 years. We've noticed that the movements of Bitcoin tend to show up again about a week later or 5 trading days later, and the movements of the S&P 500. Now, not the same magnitude. Bitcoin is like the tail of the dog, and the stock market is like the belly button. Bitcoin can wag all over the place, but the dance steps show up, and so we saw a sell-off in Bitcoin, quite a scary one last week. So we're now in the 1 week anniversary of that, where we should see a little bit of softness for the stock market this week. But we're noticing that Bitcoin has turned back up again from that scary sell-off last week. So by the time that the stock market gets to the end of this week, it should start echoing the upturn in Bitcoin. Not in terms of magnitude, but in terms of the direction and the timing. And I wish it was more of a perfect correlation than it is. It's not absolutely perfect. But it's detectable. It's there. It's a real effect. Whether you can make money from it or not, it depends on how well you can notice the slight distinctions and a little bit of variation in it. But I'm expecting that the upturn that we've seen from Bitcoin's scary sell-off is going to mean an upturn for stocks after we get past this week, after we get past the Fed announcement.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.